Hey you guys, we're late na sa train, so I'm not gonna try to be fast na lang. It's what it is, we're late, so what can we do? It's our last day. Today is race day. Race day na finally, but we're not gonna finish the race. We're not going to finish the race. It is what it is. Lang laman yung IC card dun. 1,000 na lang. Race day, and let's see kung we can make it early. Hey. This is the fit, by the way. I'm wearing the new shirt that I got last Friday. Wait, Friday ko ba binili? I think Friday ko binili. Hindi ko na nabili yung gusto ko talaga na shirt. Wala na siya. Same price lang sana. But, I will try to buy it online. Kasi, gusto ko yung masuot sa, sa Singapore. So, yeah. Alam niyo pa, ang sakit ng shoes ko. Maganda siya, to be honest. May part lang sa paa ko na masakit. I think it's the shape of my feet. Kaya masakit. Other than that, maganda siya. Minutes wait time, so that's fine.
1周で差を詰めていったんですけどもね、最後追いつくことはできませんでした。さあカーナンバー77番の山達は、このフェラーリチャレンジのドライバーの中ではかなり若手のドライバーと言ってもいいでしょう。
Malayo ng nilakad ko sis, because I really just want that. I want this. So init. Sobrang daming tao, but we got our food. Sobrang daming tao, sis. As in, like, parang double sa kahapon. What the fuck?
ほとんどないと言ってもいいぐらい、ただですね、1年間のカートをして、その1年間のカートの後に、もう翌年からはヨーロッパとして駆け上がってきている、そんな18歳のこちらも注目、ソイヤ・ホワンダット選手。
共にやってきた令和8年の日本グランプリ春開催3度目の鈴鹿選ばれし精鋭ならぶ22代のピアストリが前に出て1コーナーを取りました。そしてルクレール2番手、遅れたアントレッリが遅れました。そしてノリスも前に来ました。3番手ピアストリ、そしてルクレール、その後ろがノリス、遅れましたキミ・アントレッリです。
ハミルトンとアントネリの差はコンマ5秒からコンマ6秒という状況です。そして
made it back home. My God, ayoko na. Guys, you can see it ba? I don't think my face is that burnt because I have my hat on and then meron din akong mask. Pero yung I don't know, hindi siya kita sa ano, but see, may pula. Kasi kita yan siya sa ano, and then the difference between my skin color sa hands and then dito sa ano ko. Grabe, parang black and white atake. My God, sunburnt ang nakuha sa Formula 1 Grand Prix, but oh my God. I finally experienced it and I will not do it again. Not in a few years. This is the only year for now that I will watch a Formula 1 Grand Prix. That's it. We will not gonna do it again, okay? Intendes? Periods. May hindi ako nakain. Dinala ko na lang. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. It's not forgot. Wala na akong ganang kumain, but I have these French fries. So, yeah. Kanina, guys, bigla pang sumakit yung tiyan ko and I was like, baka matay ako. Yung area, oh my God, I hate it so much. I thought I was early. I thought I was early. Around 8 kineme, nasa ano na ako. Kasi, maganda naman yung ano maganda yung flow ng bus. Yung nakalagay sa waiting time, 60 minutes ba yun? Pagdating ko sa Shiroko. Mga 60 minutes ata. Pero hindi naman siya 60 minutes kasi mabilis. They actually have a lot of bus na sunod-sunod talaga yung bus. Sunod. So, nakomalit lahat. And the fact na we're early. Mga 7 nasa Shiroko na. 7, no. Mali pala. 7 nasa Nagoya na. And then, around 8 nasa Shiroko. And then, yeah, that time, 60 minutes yung waiting time sa bus stop na ano. Pero hindi talaga siya 60 minutes and flowing yung ano. Although yung line is from station, ang dami mo pang lilikuan. Liko. And then, liko. And like, pero, I get it. Kasi kung hindi yun ganun, as in magulo and walang other way para hindi congested tingnan yung mga tao. So, they had it like, parang nakasnake ang atake ate. Ang layo basta ang layo. It's not even like paglabas mo and there's this crazy lines. It's not enough. The space is not enough. So, from station, lilibot ka pa. As in, you literally have to like, you will pass some houses. Hindi naman sa loob ng bahay, but you know, malayo pa sa station, liko na naman, and then back again near sa station, and then may parking area doon na nilagyan nila ng paliko-liko. And then back again na malapit na sa station, and then liko na naman. Like, it's a maze. Pero it worked. And hindi talaga siya 60 minutes yung waiting time. But anyways, nasa mga 9 pala ako, nasa sa circuit na today. The thing is, I thought that is like enough for me to secure my seat. Kasi it was enough for the past few days. Enough for me to get the seats that I want for the past few days. Apparently, it's not. I thought kasi hindi sila maaga yung mga tao. Kasi naman marami naman yung may mga seat talaga. Hindi ko naman inisip na madami din yung mga taong naka-general admission lang like me. Ay ate, speaking of general admission, I'm like, yaman ko naman. Parang na-feel ko na, I'm still one of them. Emmy, hindi, never. What I'm saying is that may nakita kasi ako naka-Hermes. Hindi naman siya Birkin, hindi din siya Kelly. Pero naka-Hermes siya na, it's not Constance. Pero Hermes, I know that was Hermes kasi gusto ko din yon. I want that. Kasi simple looking. It doesn't look like Hermes. So parang simple lang, Emmy. The moment I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that's Hermes. And then humarap siya kasi may kausap siya. Kasi they were trying to find a seat then dun sa general admission area. ate nasa general admission yung naka-Hermes. Nakita ko naka-Hermes si bakla. I'm like, I know that's real. I know it's real. It looks real. She looks legit. Legit na talagang makakapag-Hermes yung girly na yun. And I'm like, imaginein mo yun. Mga people na naka-Hermes nasa general admission. I'm like, I'm one of them. Ay! Or they're one of me. Ha! And then, tapos may family na mga kapo nata to. Naka-Christian Dior. Hindi mo kaya, Christian Dior. Tapos, ano yung shoes nung papa niya? Nakalimutan ko. Pero hindi yun Christian Dior eh. Branded din yun. Hindi Loewe. Ang ina, hindi ko maalala yung brand. Grabe, naka-branded sila and naka-general admission. I'm like, I'm one of them. Or they're one of me. And then sa harap ko, like, three stairs down. Guys, magulo yung room. Kasi wala akong time maglinis. So, hopefully sa Saturday meron na. Pero, feeling ko wala akong time sa Saturday to clean. Kasi feeling ko meron kaming work sa Saturday. So, whatever. I will do as much as I can tonight. And then my work bukas. We are so battered. Anyway, so, yun nga, yung nasa harap ko is naka-Gucci. Di mo kaya Gucci. Tapos yung kasama niya is naka-Louis Vuitton. Di mo kaya. They look legit. They look like someone who can afford that. I'm like, And saan sila nakaupo? Dun sa baba ate, dun talaga sa grass. I'm like, oh, I'm one of them. Or they're one of me. I'm like, and here I am, just a poor girl. Anyways, yeah. Speaking of the race, speaking of the area kung saan ako, I hated it. Because I really thought, okay pa yung time na yun. Pagdating ko doon, I'm like, oh my God. Wala na sis, wala na yung bet ko na, puno na yung bet na area na gusto kong doon ako sa ano. Kasi maganda yun. Kita yung both sides. Like, kita yung truck sa harap ko and then yung kabilang side ng truck. Kita mo siya. Doon sa bago area ko, hindi ko makita. I'm like, the fuck? But, nonetheless, ano naman yung point kung makita ko yun? It's just few seconds lang naman. And then, hindi ko naman tinapos yung race. Hindi ko tinapos. Paano ko siya tatapusin? If tatapusin ko siya, ate, wala pa tayo sa bahay today. Nandun pa tayo sa circuit at this point. 5:57, nasa circuit pa tayo. Kasi for sure, mahaba yung line. The moment nga, lumabas ako is 2, almost 2:40, almost 2:50. Umalis ako dun sa seat ko, which, muntik pa ako ma-slide. Buti all of the Japanese people na andun sa area, they were like, oh, no, it's okay. Salamat ng akuya. And then, yeah, 2:50, umalis na ako dun sa area ko. It's not 2:50, mga 2:40, almost 2:50, mga 2:43. Kanemi. Malayo pa yung lalakaran from P area, kasi nasa P ako tumambay. Doon ako sa P. From there, I think almost 20 minutes para dumating sa bus stop. 20 minutes na lakad. Walkathon so much. And then, nasa bus stop ako, 3:03 something. Hindi pa yun sa bus mismo ha. You have like mga 3 minutes walk para dumating dun sa kung saan yung bus, kung saan ka magbo-board sa bus. So, 3:03, meron na siyang 10 minutes wait. Ate, 3:03, 10 minutes wait na siya. Imagine kung tinapos ko yung race. Imagine kung I think umalis ako mga 20 laps, which is yun talaga yung first plan ko. Like 20 laps, I'm done. I'm going home. Imagine if naghintay ako ng 50 something laps. Kung naghintay ako ng 25 laps, like half ng race, I think it would be fine still. Makaka-uwi pa rin tayo ng medyo maaga. But
yeah, 20 laps, mga ganun. Mga 17 something, 17, 18 laps, umalis na ako. So, 20 Kaneme. Anyways, round off na lang. Round off! So, ayun. 3:03, may 10 minutes wait time na siya. And then, luckily naman sa, tawag dito, sa station, wala pa din madaming tao. So, we managed to get a seat sa train. Yun din yung goal ko kasi nakakapagod kasi if nakatayo ka. Yun yung nangyayari sa akin for the past days. Like for the past days. Kaya kanina, actually, medyo maaga sana akong dadating. Kasi dumating ako ng Nagoya sa Kentetsu area. Kentetsu area. Kentetsu line. Dumating ako doon 7 Kanemi. 7:05 ata, I don't know. Mga 7:11. Uy, 7:11. Mga 7:11, alis na yung train. Nandiyan na yung train, nasa harap ko na. Pero hindi ako sumakay kasi puno na. Pagod na ako, ate, mag-control sa... Para ka kasing... Wala na kasing seat, so nakatayo ka. I'm so small. Mahirap abutin yung... Mahirap abutin yung hawakan, Kanemi. Yung handle, Kanemi. Mahirap siyang abutin. So, I'm like, you know what? It's still early. Hintayin ko na lang yung next na train. Besides, after umalis ng train, kasi nga, Suzuka GP, sunod-sunod talaga yung train. And so, nakasit ako agad. Nakaupo ako agad. But, yeah, hinintay ko na lang yung next na train. Kaysa sumakay ako doon, ate, pagod na yung pa ako. First day pa lang, nung Thursday pa lang, pagod na yung pa ako. Ate, 4th day na natin today. So, yeah, hintay ko na lang. I think 30 na yun. 7:30 na yun. Dumating yung 7:30 Kaneme, umalis yung train na sinakyan ko. But we managed to get a seat. So, nakaupo tayo the whole ride until Shiroko. And then we got, I think, mga 40 minutes lang yung wait time para makasakay sa bus. So, it was chill. Hindi naman OA yung lakaran. Hindi naman nakikipaghabulan or anything. So, it was chill. Hindi masyadong masakit yung paa ko. And because of early, kasi nga medyo early, medyo hindi. Nakasakay pa din ako sa bus na hindi nakatayo. And then, I think that's one of their goals din naman na hindi sobrang masikip yung tao sa loob ng bus, and then as much as possible nakaupo lahat. So yeah, madami yung bus. Nasunod-sunod talaga yung bus. So yeah, that's like one of my goals. Actually, nawalan ako sa topic, hindi ko na maalala bakit dumating tayo sa topic na to, but yeah, I managed to do that today. And then yan din yung goal ko pa uwi, na makaupo because pagod na yung pa ako. I love my shoes, by the way. Hindi siya tawag dito. Hindi siya masakit sa paa sana if iba yung shape ng paa ko. Kasi may part lang ng paa ko na masakit. Sa shape talaga to ng bones ng paa ko. Bones? Kasi yung certain part lang na may protruding na bones. Yun siya yung masakit. Anyways, now we're here. We managed to get home. This is early, by the way. 5 something dito na tayo sa bahay. Kanina pa ako 14 minutes na ako nagsasalita. And then prior to me turning this on, nag-cellphone pa ako. So, mga 5 something dito na ako sa bahay. It's now 6:03. I'm gonna take a bath real quick. And then, I'll be bihis. I will clean my room, eat, and then let's sleep for tomorrow, kasi may work pa tomorrow. This whole experience, Formula 1, I'm traumatized. Actually, ang saya. Masaya siya if you're a fan. You will really appreciate it. Ang saya. Like, guys, ang sarap pakinggan nung cars in real life. It's like, yeah, that's the, it's so nice. Alam mo yun? Pero, buti sana kung yun lang. Pero the walkathon, the whole thing of, to be honest, medyo nakikipag-agawan ka talaga ng seat sa bus and sa train. Like, that and kung mayaman lang ako, sis. My God. Nag-arkila na ng nagbayad na ako ng personal driver and meron ng car na kukunin tayo sa bahay and then ihatid doon back and forth for 4 days. Bakit? Tapos hindi tayo sa Jeddah. Doon tayo sa Padak. Bakit? Makikipag-alubilo tayo doon sa mga posh kids. Kineme. My God. Pero minus all that struggles. Just the race itself. Just the cars and the noise. Oof. Also, I saw an actual crash kanina. The moment I posted sa Twitter, I'm like, I forgot what I post. Pero sabi ko, like, the thought was, I hated the area where I was today. And then, may nag-crash harap namin. It was, I think, sa Porsche Challenge pa tawag doon? Porsche Carrera Canemi or Ferrari Challenge Canemi ba yun? Hindi ko alam, pero nag-crash siya. Hindi naman siya bonggang crazy crash. Hindi siya crazy crash, Emmy. Yun lang yung nag-slide and then nag-crash sa wall. But he managed to, like, drive it off sa gilid na safe and then easy to retrieve na yung car niya. So, mabilis lang yung yellow flag doon. And then, I think natapos nila yung race. Yung second feature race yun, hindi yun Formula 1. So, yung second feature race, yun yung nag-red flag and then hindi na tinapos yung race. Kasi grabing OA yung crash. As in, I hope makahanap ako ng clip or at least picture and then I can show you. Like, hindi ako marunong mag-explain. Yung barriers kasi, to protect the fans, to protect the people na nanonood, mahaba yan, syempre. Imagine, umabot siya dun. Like, I would say, almost siyang lalabas na talaga sa barriers. Or, I think lumabas na siya sa barriers, pero sumabit siya dun. Hindi ko kasi, mahirap kasing tingnan yung screen kasi hindi siya nakaharap sa amin. Pero basta, it was a huge crash. It was a crazy crash. Involves 2 car, pero yung isa, hindi naman siya tumilapon or anything. Yung isa lang na car. Yung tumilapon, like, roll over and then sa barriers, red flag, and then di na tinapos yung race. And then, I think kung sino yung P1 at that moment, yun na yung panalo. Because of that, na late yung start ng F1 kasi they were fixing the barriers. So, yeah. It was a crazy crash. Nakita namin yung car kasi dun dumaan sa amin. Pagka-retrieve nun, dun dumaan sa amin. Grabe yung, like, mapapaisip ka na, as in, buhay yung driver. Wala kasi akong picture. Late na nakita ko na, wala na, nandun na yung car. Wala akong picture, but, yeah. It was a crazy crash. You're like, buhay siya! Wow! Over! And also, sasali ko pa ba dito yung information? This whole thing, by the way, this whole Formula 1 week for me is so hard to like fully enjoy it because I feel like should I be enjoying it or not? Because namatay yung lola ko. And then hindi ako nakauwi because one of like literally the reason is wala talaga akong pera. Like even if I will let this pass yung Formula 1, hindi pa rin enough yung pera ko to go sa Philippines because the tickets are so expensive. Yung nabayaran ko lang is yung ticket ng mama ko. Nabayaran ko yung sa papa ko though. But hindi ko napapabayaran yung sa mama ko. But I want na bayaran yung sa papa ko because guys, as in wala. And I have so many utang. Anyways. Yeah. Today, Sunday, nilibing yung lola ko kanina morning. yeah. So it was kind of, well, life's like that. Life is like that. But yeah, I will never do this again. Period. Sobrang init and I am burned. Hindi kasi ako hindi ako nag-sunscreen. I think merong sunscreen yung mama ko dyan, pero hindi ko naisip eh. Di naman kasi ako nasunog for the past days. Di naman kasi sobrang init the past days. Or sadyang hindi pa nag-react yung scene ko, ngayon lang siya nag-react kasi ama ka na girl, pang-4 na araw mo nang babad sa araw. So, yeah. Never na guys. I feel like kung meron akong tracker ng steps, I think umabot tayo ng 200,000 steps. Pero it feels like that. As in. And I'm expecting na ganito din sa Singapore. Wakaton din. Pero I think medyo less. Kasi nga street circuit, train station, train stops are probably everywhere, bus stops are probably everywhere, gates are everywhere. Dito kasi, yes, merong gates, merong malapit sa chicane, may gate doon sa kabila, may gate doon, pero all of the gates are far from the bus stop. Lahat yun malayo. Lahat yun malayo sa train station. Lahat yun, what's the point? Kinemi. Pero yeah, merong mga gates, but again, malayo siya sa everything. So, yeah, dami ko na sinabi. I have to say it all or else I will forget it and I will never remember all of this. Maganda kasing tingnan to after. I'm not even sure if I will post this, pero it's nice to hear this again someday, one day. Whoever is watching this hindi ka nakapanood ng Formula 1 live, you missed out on an experience. As in, I'm not even saying experiencing the race, but experiencing the whole thing, you know, from your house to the circuit and the things you can do around the circuit. Yung circuit kasi, yung Suzuka circuit, guys, meron din siyang park. May mga rides kinemi. Sayang nga kasi hindi ko tinay yung Ferris wheel Emmy. Sana tinay ko. But, yeah. You're missing out. If you're watching this and you're like curious about Formula 1, curious lang, you don't want to be fan. You don't want to become a fan. Then, you know, watch ka. It's really fun. It's really interesting. It's interesting, ganun ng taki. But yeah, we need to clean the house na. Dinala ko to. Although, pangit yung area ko today, malakas yung signal. The last time yung area ko, pangit yung signal, hindi ko marinig. This one, maganda yung signal dun sa area ko. So, it was a good thing that I get to hear the, other than that. Wala naman akong bilhin today. Kasi yung mga F1 store, sirado na. Yung F1 store, sirado na siya. I think they will bring all of those, na din sa next stop. Which is, walang next stop. Walang next stop, guys. I'm so happy. The whole April is race-free. Thank you, God. Thank you, Lord. Makatulog tayo every Sunday ng maaga. Amen. Wala siya. And then, the next is, I forgot ko ano yung next race. And then, after that one race, wala na naman for the next 3 weeks ata. I love it. I love Formula 1, but sometimes it's nakakapagod manood, guys. Nasa Japan ako. So, most of the race, European race, and all the other race around the world, girl, ating gabi. So, thank God walang race. Anyways, ayun na. Tapos na tayo mag-chumeka. 6:13 na atin. Dami kong sinabi. 24.41 minutes na to. Let's go. Ito yung outfit ko. I'm wearing, ayan, the new shirt. I love it. This is extra small. Perfect lang siya for me. I love it. Extra small talaga sa akin. Hindi pwede yung small. I think yung small is malaki. So, I have a small yung jacket ko. Yung soft shell jacket. Malaki siya sis. So, Extra small talaga. And, yeah. Ano ba yan? May gusto na naman ako sasabihin. Tama na ang pag-yap. Yapper kasi ako pag ako lang mag-isa. Pero pag may kasama ako, like, I don't wanna yap. I feel like, hindi ka makaka-relate sa akin. Ganun. Yung, like, yung yap ko is, yeah. I feel like, you'd be like, ay, hindi ako nakaka-relate sa'yo. True, kaya I don't really talk to anyone. Kaya, di man sila makasabot ako. Di nila gets ako ang mga vibes. Mga vibes, ako ang mga interest sa life. So, I don't really talk to anybody. I'm saving them from me. Ganun na nga tawag eh. If you wanna talk to me, talk to me. Pero, I probably won't talk to you because I feel like I'm a nuisance to the world. Let's go.